That's my hair. I'll show you the other day. But yeah, then you're good to go. Okay, this is how to make a sleek ponytail with kinky hair. Hi guys, it's been a really long time since I last saw you, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. And once again, I'm looking very homeless, but yeah, get ready with me to create content. For this content, I want to make a ponytail with this hair, and I want to teach my DIY girlies how to make ponytail with this is still considered short hair, but my hair is no longer fussy, I guess. I don't know, it has been texturized, but yeah. And I'm creating a sleek ponytail with this hair, and I'm going to try as much as possible to cover my side face too. For these, I'm going to be using the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel, the 10 Max Old. I'm going to be using my kinky hair. This, what brand is this? This is not kinky brand. This is Rosemary. I'm going to obviously need my tail tooth comb, normal comb. This is the brush I'm using. Don't judge me, but I'm using my wig brush to stick it down and a scarf. And we're going to do this. I'm planning on doing a center part, so let's just do that. First of all, I'm working with a damp hair. My hair is a bit damp, and yeah, my hair is now colored. I know it was not colored the last time you saw me. So my damp hair, I've done my hair and I've combed it already, sharp. So with my damp, I'm actually using two gels. Let me just say the truth. I'm using this and also Serious Activator Moisturizing Gel. I'm using the two because I feel like they have their different uses. I love this gel because it makes my hair really soft, and I feel like that would like make it sleek. But this one has like a maximum hold. Do you get it? Let's start with this. I've done my center pattern. Now I'm just going to start with this and do something like this. I'm going to saturate the whole hair in this actually. I'm going to run this through my hair just to ensure that the gel gets everywhere. This is a coil activator, that's why you're seeing some coils on my hair. We're going back in a bit more. Then after that, go to the main ingredient, which is the Eco Styler Gel. So now I want to try and pat my hair aside the center pattern and add the gel just so I know it gets everywhere. After patting my hair and adding the gel, I'm just going to add it all over. Make sure that my hair is well saturated in the gel. And afterward, I go in with my brush, my wig brush, for styling. I want to try and cover, if not all of my face, but at least a great percentage. After doing that, I have my little tiny ponytail. You guys can see. To attach the ponytail, all you need is your rubber band and your hair. But first, you might have to weave the little ponytail. Mine is this small, but you might have to weave the little ponytail you have at that side, just to like give it a secure hold. So that's what I'm going to do now. Then after that, let's take my hair, which is this. You can oil and condition or pluck out the ends of your just so it looks nice. So now you have your hair, and you're going to locate the middle of your hair and put your rubber band through it. Let your rubber band be at the middle of the hair like this, and then you attach it to the tiny little ponytail that you have at the back of your head. Tightly and securely. After that, you try and fix the ends of your hair so it comes out looking neat, prim and proper. You can add conditioner, oil, and properly style that, and you're good to go. After that, tie your hair in a scarf and let it dry up to lay everything, and I'm going to do that now, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished. Okay guys, and after everything, let me show you guys the final results. So we're looking at the end of the day. If you have a blow dryer, you can just let it, because mine is not dried obviously, you can just let it dry up a bit, and then that's my hair. I'll show you the other day. But yeah, then you're good to go. Okay, this is how to make a sleek ponytail with kinky hair and unshort fussy hair. That's the end of my video. Till next time, I love you. Now we can create my content. Bye.